Hi guys, in this video, I will teach you the 8 terms and definitions na kailangan nyong maintindihan before you trade Forex. And before we start this video, disclaimer muna tayo. Trading in financial markets involves significant risk and may result in substantial losses. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Always seek advice from an independent financial advisor before making any trading decisions. And with that, let's get into it. The first word na kailangan nyong maintindihan sa Forex is the word pair or currency pair. Ito yung nakikita nyo pag pumunta kayo sa airport, sa bangko, or sa mall. Dalawa itong currency na magkadikit. The first currency on the left, this is what we call the base currency. And yung nasa right naman, this is the quote currency. And the base over the quote currency will determine the price. So how does that look like? For this example, yung gagamitin nating pair is USD to PHP. Ibig sabihin yung base currency natin is USD, yung quote currency natin is Philippine Peso. So in this example, USD to PHP is 58. Ibig sabihin yan, the value of $1 is equivalent to 58 pesos. The second word that you need to understand is the pip. It means percentage in point. A pip is the smallest price move that a given exchange rate can make. So ang pip, it's usually in the fourth decimal place of the price. So let's say for example, 0.0001. Yung pip is yung number 1, which is nasa dulo or nasa fourth decimal point. And in some cases, yung pip is nasa pangalawang decimal point, 0.01, which means that one is the pip. Yung pip basically is yung galaw ng merkado or galaw ng presyo sa market. That will determine how much we are able to earn or lose later on. The third term you need to understand is the word lot. Forex is traded in specific amount called lots. A standard lot is 100,000 units of the base currency, but there are also mini, micro, and nano lots. Hindi mo naman kailangan i-memorize yung numbers and computations ito, but this is gonna be the shortcut para mas madali mo siyang maintindihan. A standard lot is 1 and it's equivalent to $10. Mini lot naman, that's gonna be 0.1 and it's equivalent to $1. Yung micro lot naman, 0.01, that's equivalent to $0.1. The next term you need to understand is the word leverage. This allows traders to control a large position with a relatively small amount of capital. For example, with 50 to 1 leverage, you can control $50,000 with $1,000 na capital. Kumbaga, ito yung pinapahiram ni broker sa'yo or ito yung pinapautang sa'yo ng pera so you can have a larger trading capital. Next word you need to understand is margin. This is the amount of money required to open a leverage position. Ibig sabihin lang yan in layman's term is magkano yung kailangan na amount of money na meron ka para pautangin ka ng mas malaking amount ng broker. So let's put leverage and margin into an example. For example, yung deposit mo is $100 only and your leverage is 1 is to 1,000. That means 100 times 1,000 is $100,000. That's gonna be your trading capital. And in order for you to have a 100,000 trading capital, kailangan mo ng $100. The sixth and seventh term that you need to understand is the bid and ask. The bid price is the price at which the market is willing to buy a currency pair, while the ask price is the price at which the market is willing to sell it. Kumbaga, think of it this way. Pumunta ka sa isang grocery, tapos bumili ka ng isang junk food. Ang presyo ng junk food is 10 pesos. That is your bid price. Ngayon naman, ano yung ask price mo? So pag uwi mo from the grocery, magkano mo siya ibebenta sa sari-sari store mo? That's gonna be the ask price. Bid, magkano mo siya binili? Ask, magkano mo siya ibebenta? The eighth or last word that you need to understand is the word spread. The spread is the difference between the bid and ask price. Magkano yung tubo? So let's put that into computation. For example, yung pair is Euro USD. Yung bid niya is 1.1050 and yung ask price niya is 1.1060. Magkano kaya yung spread niya? It's gonna be 10 pips. Next pair is GBP USD. Yung bid price is 1.3050 and yung ask price is 1.3070. The spread is 20 pips. Next pair is USD JPY. Yung bid niya is 110.50. Ang spread niya naman is 30 pips. Magkano kaya yung ask price? That is correct. The ask price is 110.80. Next pair example is AUD, USD. Yung ask price niya is 0.7060. Yung spread niya naman is 10 pips. Magkano kaya yung bid price? The bid price is 0.7050. Again, these are the terms and definitions you need to understand before ka mag-trade ng Forex. Sana may natutunan ka. Happy trading and God bless.